Hello, welcome to another adventure of Jons Nature Show. I'm with my friend Anthony right here as he's fishing. We are on the Nile River, and he cast it out. It doesn't look like he's getting anything right now, but hopefully maybe later he might get a big old fish, like we don't know, something about like 17 pounds, 18 pounds max. They say as long as it's over 6 then we can keep it and eat it. And you know, I like fish, so we plan on eating it. So, without further ado,
talk about the white stuff in the water.
Ooh, we've got this white stuff in the water right here. Gotta be careful because the piranhas might get us, but this white stuff is off of flowers.
Act like something bit you.
And and while these fish are spawning, they give off an egg, and ooh, ouch, and as they're spawning, they give off this egg, and then the egg hatches, and then it's just you can see how many fish are spawning in here. That's why we're fishing. And he tried to, ouch! You see that? He's a piranha. He tried to get me. He was right there. Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I see right here is an electric eel. If I'd have stuck my hand in the water right now, it would have got me. I might have been dead, just like the real crocodile had a stingray, but it would have been an electric eel. After this short break, I'll bring back to you some of my more nature videos. That's all. Welcome back. I just spotted a stick in water. It is an animal. Like, you can see it breathing. You can see little bubbles coming out of its mouth. It's not a real stick. He just disguises itself so nobody hurts it. He's just moving along right there. They're peaceful animals really until you get close to them, and then they're horrible. Fierce animals.
Shut up.
Fierce animals. Welcome back to Jons Nature Show. We have just discovered a blue pelican in the Nile River. We're sneaking up on it right now. They're not very aggressive, but sometimes they are if they get alarmed. Coming up on it. I want to turn around. I've got this in my hand just in case.
Why'd you say, look how graceful it is?
Look how peaceful the animals are. We love them. We love the animals in the
You're not the whisper anymore.
We're trying to find more blue pelicans over here. Look like you hear mine.
This is a nice spot.